Hello Pi Pioneers! I'm here with exciting Pi network updates, which can be game-changing news that many of you have been desperately waiting for. You know what? Finally, KYC via Banxa to activate your Pi network mainnet wallet. It's mean that if you've been stuck in that seemingly endless KYC queue, or you're itching to start using those Pi coins in the Mainnet ecosystem right away, this video is absolutely essential for you. Okay, welcome back Pi Pioneers watching from anywhere around the globe. If you believe in potential of Pi network, don't hesitate to join our community by smashing subscribe button and ring notification bell for more update. Also comment Pi network to the moon, along with your country, to see how worldwide our Pi community truly is. The Pi core team has just introduced a breakthrough solution that could transform your Pi journey overnight. They've partnered with Banxa to offer a lightning-fast KYC option that can activate your mainnet wallet in minutes instead of the months many pioneers have been waiting. This is not a drill, and it's not a third-party workaround. This is an official Pi network solution. Now, here's what makes this different from the standard KYC process. The Banxa option requires purchasing a small amount of Pi to complete the verification. Think of it as an express lane. You're buying your way to immediate mainnet access, but you're also getting Pi coins in return. For those who've been frustrated waiting for that elusive KYC invitation, this could be the answer you've been looking for. Let me walk you through exactly how the Banxa KYC process works. First, you'll need to open your Pi network wallet. After entering your passport details, you'll notice a new button labeled KYC with Banxa. When you click on this, you'll see an option that says Buy Some, Start Pi. This is your gateway to fast-track verification. Clicking this button will open a form titled Verify Your Identity. This is where precision becomes absolutely crucial. You'll need to enter your personal information, and it must match exactly what you provided during your Pi network registration. You'll enter your first and last name, date of birth, email address, country, complete address, including city and zip code, your identity document type, and the document number. The system is looking for perfect alignment between this information and your Pi network profile, so double-check everything before submitting. After completing this form, you'll click Submit My Document and then be shown options to purchase Pi coins. For example, if you select 100 USDT worth, you might receive approximately 154 Pi coins. The exact amount will vary based on current rates. You'll need to select a payment method. Currently, Visa and MasterCard are supported, and then click Create Order to proceed. The system will then send a one-time password to your email for verification. Enter this OPT, provide your card information, and complete the payment. Don't worry about documentation. A payment receipt will be sent to your email for your records. Once the transaction is processed, your wallet status will change to Wallet Activation in Progress. And here's the exciting part. Within approximately 5 minutes, your wallet should be fully activated with your purchased Pi coins visible in your balance. Imagine that, from waiting indefinitely to fully activated in just minutes. This is a complete game changer for the Pi ecosystem and community. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Is this legitimate? Should I trust this? The answer is yes. This is an official Pi network partnership with Banxa, a regulated financial service provider that specializes in cryptocurrency on-ramps. The core team has implemented this solution specifically to address the KYC bottleneck that has frustrated so many pioneers. But before you rush to use this option, let me highlight some important considerations. First and foremost, this is completely optional. The free KYC route still exists. Banxa is simply an alternative for those who want immediate access. Second, you will need to make a purchase to complete the process. The minimum amount may vary, but expect to spend around 100 USDT to activate your wallet. You'll also need a payment card that works for international transactions since Banxa operates globally. Most crucially, ensure that every detail of your personal information matches exactly what you provided during your Pi network registration. Any discrepancies could delay verification or potentially cause complications. This attention to detail cannot be overstated. It's the difference between a 5-minute activation and potential headaches. So, who is this option ideal for? If you're someone who hasn't received an official KYC invitation yet, but wants to start participating in the Mainnet ecosystem immediately, Banxa could be perfect for you. If you're eager to start shopping or using services via the Pi browser, this gives you instant access. And if you're willing to invest a small amount to jumpstart your Pi journey, this pathway makes sense. However, if you've already received an official KYC invitation from Pi Network, using Banxa isn't necessary. You can continue with the standard verification process. Similarly, if you prioritize data privacy or prefer not to spend money on activation, waiting for the free KYC option remains your best choice. What excites me most about this development is what it signifies for Pi Network's evolution. By partnering with a regulated financial service provider like Banxa, Pi is clearly pushing toward mainstream adoption and legitimacy. It shows the core team is actively listening to community frustrations about KYC delays and implementing practical solutions. This responsiveness demonstrates their commitment to building not just a cryptocurrency, but a thriving ecosystem with engaged users. Furthermore, accelerating KYC verification means more verified pioneers can participate in the Mainnet economy. More verified users translate to more potential customers for Pi merchants, more users for Pi-powered applications, and ultimately more economic activity within the network. This creates a positive feedback loop that benefits everyone in the ecosystem. The introduction of Banxa as a KYC option represents a significant milestone in Pi Network's journey toward widespread adoption. It provides an immediate solution for those who have been waiting months for verification, while still maintaining the free option for those who prefer to wait. This flexible approach accommodates different user preferences while pushing the project forward. I believe this development sends a powerful message about Pi Network's future trajectory. The core team is clearly focused on solving practical problems that stand in the way of adoption. Rather than simply asking users to wait indefinitely, they've created an alternative path that serves both user needs and ecosystem growth objectives. For many pioneers, this new KYC option represents more than just verification. It represents their first opportunity to actually use Pi in the real world. After years of mining and building the community, being able to access the mainnet and participate in the ecosystem is the realization of what many have been working toward. Whether you're looking to shop with Pi, provide services, or just explore the growing ecosystem, Banxa verification puts all of this within immediate reach. So there you have it, Pioneers, a brand new way to get your mainnet wallet activated quickly through the official Banxa partnership. This option puts you in control of your Pi journey, allowing you to decide whether immediate access is worth the small investment. The choice is entirely yours, but now you have options rather than just waiting in line. What do you think about this development? Will you be using the Banxa option to get verified faster, or are you going to wait for the free KYC? Let me know in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts on this game-changing update. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest Pi Network developments. I'm constantly researching and bringing you the most important news that affects your Pi journey. And don't forget to share this video with other pioneers who might be waiting for their KYC invitation. This could be the solution they've been desperately searching for. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.